Good morning, this is Ralph with the Life Abundance channel doing a general check-in. This is a shot from my front yard. I'm sitting out here drinking a cup of coffee. And we just went through a heck of a 2-day period. We had torrential rainstorms again. We live right down by the Pomme de Terre River, so we have to kind of keep an eye out for rising water and all that stuff. But the rains parted, the clouds parted yesterday late afternoon, and we just went ahead and decided to go out and see what the neighborhood looked like. And I was actually surprised to see that in the neighboring town, not even about 2 or 3 miles away, they had suffered some tornado damage. It looked like tornado damage. Trees down, a trailer overturned, and just a lot of damage in general. And maybe just stop and appreciate, what all we have here. All the things that we take for granted. Here I was worried about high water and fretting because we didn't have a good internet connection. And here we just dodged a tornado by just a couple of miles. So major gratitude kick going on right now. But yeah, I'm just sitting out here with a cup of coffee, enjoying life, and just thought I'd share that little update. So leave you here with the quiet of nature and a little shot there of our roses. Let's just listen to the birds sing for a little bit, and then we'll wrap this video up. Got a little butterfly flitting around there. Alright, so until later, this is Ralph signing out. We'll catch you in future updates and videos. Thanks for dropping by.